Hello guys, I'm Eric from the Netherlands and I have a problem. When I want to enter my BIOS system after installing an SSD, I cannot enter the BIOS anymore because it's so damn fast. I just can't. So what can you do? You can go to a system, energy and sleeping mode, scroll down, extra energy settings, go to the behavior of on and off buttons, I suppose, and then this here must go away. This little, I don't know how you call it in English, but we can change it by doing this and change the new settings. Then we turn off the computer and it goes really fast with an SSD card, I must say. So it's gone. Now press the power button, press F2, and there it is, fixed. Goodbye.